Hi, this is Michael here from BrandsGateway, and I'm going to show you how to install the BrandsGateway app inside your Shopify store. First things first, you will receive an email from us where you need to accept the invite. And then it will ask you to install the BrandsGateway app. It will ask you to create a user account, which I already did in advance. And you just log in. And you click on Validate API. And this will take anywhere between 15 to 20 seconds loading. So this is the first step of the import. Here you will be able to select the currency. I already selected it in US dollars, and the price rounding feature means that it will round up to the nearest 9, meaning that if a product is $127, for example, it will round it up to 129 to have a cleaner look. The second portion is the product data to keep in sync after the first import, meaning that if, for example, if you want to change the product title after the import, leave this unclicked. If you have it clicked in, that means that it will change back to the original format. And that goes for the product description and so on as well. And then the final step is about the category mapping. On Shopify, you have 2 ways to create collections. It's either automated collections or manual collections. I will go through the difference here. First thing is about the automated collections, where you need to just import everything into one main collection, which is homepage here. And these are all the collections or categories that we have on BrandsGateway. So for example, if you only want to import men gloves, you just map it into a homepage and you map everything into the same Shopify collection. So men's scarves, you select homepage. And once the import is done, the way you filter it out is by creating the Shopify collections and filtering it out through product tags. The margins is here where you can change it. The minimum is 150%, but we usually suggest that you do between 200 to 250%. So here you can just change it to 2.5. And how it calculates is that if a wholesale price is, for example, $100, the selling price will be $250. But the whole point about the automated collections is that you just need to import everything into one collection. But also, if you wish to import a whole category from BrandsGateway, for example, bags, you do the same thing. And what it does, that it will import all the men and lady bags in that case. So it basically imports in bulk. The way the manual collections work is that you need to arrange that already in advance from your Shopify store, inside your Shopify store. I took the liberty to already create 2 of them, lady sneakers and men belts. And this is where you see on the drop-down menu, lady sneakers, and then you select, you find the lady sneakers here in the bottom, and the same thing with the men belts. The biggest difference is with the manual collections, you need to filter them out with product tags, but you do need to do it in advance, where the automated collection is that you import everything into one main collection, and then once the import is done, you create the Shopify collections based on product tags, which is already there, a few from the previous ones. But after that, you just click on the Start Import, and then it's done. It will take a few, I would say around an hour or 2 for the import to start, depending on how many products you have or how many categories you have mapped from the start. But if you only did a few, it will take around 10 to 20 minutes. Otherwise, it will take an hour or two for the import to start. If you wish to access the Brands Gateway app after the import, you click on the apps section here and you have it right there. From inside there, you can change the markup, again, add more categories and so on. If you have any more questions, please reach out to our team at support@brandsgateway.com or contact us through the live chat. Thank you.